What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ethereum. As you can see right here, Ethereum is doing very, very well. You won't believe it that I opened a long position on Ethereum yesterday at a very, very early stage. I kind of placed stop loss on Ethereum after Ethereum was most likely dropping. I was kind of a little bit scared because one of the things you need to be wary of is looking at what's going on outside. If you're going to stick to a plan, just if you have a plan, just stick to it. Don't worry about what people are saying out there. So, one of the greatest channel out there that analyzes crypto should be my channel. I might not be all best in terms of analyzing the whole economical calendar kind of stuff, but in terms of technical analysis, I think to some extent I should be able to rate myself 6.5/10. Yep, this is not a matter of, oh, I'm the best, I'm the perfect guy for this kind of stuff. So, I placed stop loss around here at 2,175, I guess, or I think dropped it to 2,163. I don't know how the exchange took me out of position because that was definitely not where I placed my stop loss. So I re-entered again, and immediately I entered. Few hours after I entered, this was Ethereum's fate. This was how Ethereum moved. Ethereum moved up to 10%, guys. Ethereum moved 10%. That was crazy. So without wasting much of your time, things have been going according to my plan. Nothing really much have changed. I still stuck with my plan. And with the look of things right here, everything is going good. Everything is going well. Everything is going nice. So what should we be expecting right now? I'll be taking a whole lot of this away from the chat, just so that those who are just coming to the channel for the first time can easily know what's going on right here. So without wasting much of your time, we could see it clearly that Ethereum is actually approaching major resistance. A very, very, very serious major resistance from the fib level, which is $2,400. So with the look of things right here, I think Ethereum will most likely retest. Yes, we're most likely going to get a retest. And once we get that retest, we are most likely going to either break out or not. Now, I don't think we'll be breaking out from this retest anytime soon. Now, why do I say that? Because a candle, this is the daily candle. This is a very, very, very this is a daily candle, and this daily candle was supposed to act as the retest candle. You could see right here, this red one right here was the retest candle. This right here was the first candle to indicate that we are most likely bullish before the confirmation candle. So with the look of things, I have a feeling because of this, how large this candle is, this daily candle is, we definitely need to fill some gaps to the downside. So we could still see Ethereum dropping all the way down to this resistance, to this this support right here at roughly 2.89 or 2.9 before we could probably break above this resistance, find support and rally much higher. I think this is most likely going to be the case for Ethereum right now. So I think this is just what we should probably be expecting. Sorry about that, my throat. So we should probably be expecting a move like this. Now, let's not also forget the fact that Ethereum is also in a downtrend. So what's the probability that we're most likely going to see Ethereum breaking out of this downtrend right here, as you can see? So you could see right here that whenever we come in contact with this level, we dump, we come in contact with dump, come in contact with dump, come in contact with dump, come in contact with dump. So are we most likely going to be breaking out of this level? Because the moment we break out of this resistance, we could see Ethereum rallying all the way to 3,300 before we end up dropping even much lower. So I think this could most likely be the case for Ethereum. So I'll definitely be here to keep each and every one of us up to date. Based on how things are looking right now, you could see that the USDT dominance has definitely been the indicator that I've been using all this while for altcoins and for crypto. So with the look at things right here, the USDT dominance is already flipping bearish today, and if this is going to be the case, we're most likely going to see altcoins, Bitcoin, and risk on asset rallying. So I think based on my video that I made on on Bitcoin this morning, I made it known to us that we could still see a little bit of reclaim to the upside for USDT dominance before it moves to the downside. So if we're going to be getting a move like this, whereby we come to the upside a little bit, we could still see a little bit of dump on the altcoins and Bitcoin. Then once we get that lower high and lower low, then we can now get a rally from altcoins. But it seems that is not going to be the case for now, because looking at how things are looking, the USDT dominance is already looking strong. So with the look of things, we have no other choice than to probably rally all the way to $2,405, or we could retest any of this yellow resistance right here, or this downtrend, and we can tell what will happen next. So yeah, I think that is just basically what we should have in mind. But we should also expect a pullback anytime soon, a pullback all the way to 2,200, I guess. So yep, I think this is definitely what we should be expecting. We could expect a pullback all the way to this level, then we'll rally much higher. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.